After the arithmetic part of Vedic mathematics, now we will enter into the algebraic part of the Vedic maths. So that is nothing but Vedic algebra. In Vedic algebra, many equations which are involving the x coefficient can be easily get the solution using the Vedic sutras. Before that one, let us have a brief explanation of Vedic algebraic equations, okay, of general types. First we will deal with the simple equations. Okay, first I am starting with a simple equation. Simple equations. In this one I will deal with first type 1. What do you mean by type 1? Type 1 equations are, you are going to have one binomial factor on each side. Type 1 form of equations are nothing but having one binomial factor, on each side. Okay, now of the form ax plus b equal to cx plus d. Ax plus b equal to cx plus d. Suppose if an equation which is of the form ax plus b equal to cx plus d comes, then how to find out the solution? First of all, let us derive the solution for this value of x. Now let us find the solution of the equation of the form ax plus b equal to cx plus d. Let us first derive the equation. Okay, derive the solution for the let us now solve examples which are of the form of first type of equation. Okay, let us take an example. 2x plus 5 equal to x plus 9. I want to find out the x value of this equation. Okay, find x value of this equation. Okay, find x value in this equation. So again we have to go for the all simplification. No need like that. Why? Because it is very clear that this equation is of the form ax plus b equal to cx plus d. We already derived the solution for that one. What? X equal to d minus b by a minus c. So it is very clear that this 2x plus 5 equal to x plus 9 is of the form ax plus b equal to cx plus d. So simply, first, what is the first step in solving this one? Just compare the given equation with the form of ax. Here 9. What is the b value? 5. What is a value? 2. What is c value? 1. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the solution here? X value is 4. X value is of the form. What is the solution? 4. Now similarly we will do the below example also. So here by comparing we got a equal to 6, b equal to 5, c equal to 2, d equal to 7. Now what is the solution? X equal to d minus b by a minus c. What is d value? 7, b value 5, a value 6 and c value 2. So 7 minus 5 is 2, 6 minus 2 is 4. So 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore, what is x value we got? 1 by 2 is the solution for the equation. Minus 7, so minus of minus 7 by a value 4 minus what is c value? 1. Just find out the values. Minus 8 minus of minus 7, it will become minus into minus is plus by 4 minus 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3. Therefore x value equal to minus 1 by 3. This is your answer. Understand? So like this we can solve the equations of the type ax plus b equal to cx plus d. Now in the same way we will see the second type of equations. Now let us see the second type of equations. Second type of equations is of the form two binomial factors on each side. Two binomial factors on each side. Now second type of equation is of the form x plus a into x plus b equal to x plus c into x plus d. Now let us derive the solution of x in this equation. Now see here. So x into x, x square plus a, how much it is? Yeah, x into b, bx, a into x, ax plus ab equal to x into x, x square, x into d, dx plus c into x, cx plus cd. Okay. Now take out the x square, okay, x square plus take out the x common in this one. How much will you get? A plus b plus ab equal to x square plus take out x common, c plus d minus ab by a plus b minus c minus d. Now let us solve two examples of this form. So if you observe the equation x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to x minus 5 into x minus 4. If you observe the equation, immediately it is very clear that this is of the equation of the form x plus a into x plus b equal to x plus b into x plus d. Now compare the equation with the standard form of the equation. Compare this equation with the standard form of the equation. By comparing, you can get the values of a, b, c, d. So what are the values of a, b, c, d? A equal to 1, b equal to a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to minus 5, d equal to minus 4. A equal to 1, what is the solution of x we got? X equal to CD minus AB by A plus B minus C minus D. So x equal to CD minus AB by A plus B minus C minus D. So what is CD here? C into D, that is minus 5 into minus 4, okay, minus A into B. So what is A into B? 1 into 2 by A plus B minus C minus D. So what is A plus B here? 1 plus 2 minus C. C is by how much? Minus 5. So minus of minus 5. Again minus, what is D here? Minus 4. So minus of minus 4. So what is the value we are going to get here? Minus into minus plus, 5 4s are 20 minus 2 by 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 5, here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, both are become plus. So plus 5 plus 4, how much? Plus 9. So how much we got here? 18 by 12. So 18 by 12, how much? 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12. So finally, what is the value of x I got here? What is the value of x I got here? X equal to 3 by 2. X equal to 3 by 2. Done. Now let us solve the another example of the same type. You do one thing, simply take a pass and solve this equation. After removing a pass, okay, compare or check the AB by A plus B minus C minus D. So what is CD minus AB here? C here is 3, D is minus 11, minus A is how much? A is minus 6, and what is B? B is 7. Total by A plus B minus C minus D. A plus B minus C and minus D. Minus D means minus of minus 11. So by solving this one, how much will you get? Minus 33 plus 42. How much will you get? Minus 33 plus 42. Here if you observe, minus into minus plus only, so it is 6 7s are 42. So it is becoming plus 42. Now how much it is? Minus 6 plus 7. Minus 6 plus 7 is 1. Minus 3. Minus of minus is plus. So it becomes minus 3 to CD minus AB by A plus B minus C minus D. Done? Now, let us see the third type of equations now. Now, let us see the third type of the form of simplification is of the form AX plus B by CX plus D equal to P by Q. Once again, AX plus B by CX plus D equal to P by Q. So, the third type of simple equation is of the form like this. Now, let us derive the solution for this one, that is the x value. First, just simply cross multiply. How much will you get? So, Q into AX plus B equal to P into CX plus D. So, how much will you get? AQX plus BQ equal to CPX plus PD. Now, CP. AX plus B by CX plus D equal to P by Q. If you compare the given equation with the standard form of the equation, you will get the values by comparing the equations. So, by comparing the given equation with the standard form of the equation, we can get the values of A, B, C, D and P and Q. Now, just by comparing the values of A equal to how much here? 2, B equal to 1, C equal to 3 and D equal to 2. What about P and Q? So, P and Q is nothing but P by Q here. So, P equal to 4 and Q equal to 5. So, these are the values which we got by comparing the equation with the standard form of the equation like this. So, A value 2, B value 1. Minus C value 3 and P value it's 4. Now, simply you tell me what is the answer now we are going to get. 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 5, 1 5s are 5, 8 minus 5 by 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12. So, 10 minus 12. So, how much will get here? This is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3 by 10 minus 12 is minus 2. So our answer is finally x value, how much you are going to get here? X value equal to minus 3 by 2. So we got x value as minus 3 by 2. Okay, this is the step which we have to do. Now similarly, you just see the next example. It is also in the form of ax plus b by cx plus d equal to b by q. So just compare the values. Eight. So how much will you get after multiplying this one? Minus 64, minus into minus will become plus. So minus 64 plus 21. Minus 64 plus 21 by 4th is a 12, 12 minus 8. 12 minus 8. So finally, what is the x value you are going to get here? So minus 64 plus 21, it is minus 43 by 12 minus 8 is 4. So my answer is x value is how much I got? Minus 43 by 4. Now you please take a pass. You please take a pass and do the third example, which is here. After removing a pass, okay, simply check the solution with my solution. Okay. Now let us do the third example. That is we got a equal to 5, b equal to 7, c equal to 2, d equal to 1, p equal to 3, q equal to 2. Now finally, what is the solution? Solution of x we already got. How much? It is, so dp minus bq by aq minus cp. So what is d value here? D value is 1, p value is 3, minus b value is 7 and q value is 2 by a value is 5, q value is 2, minus c value is 2 and p value is 3. Okay, so 1 into 3, 3 minus 7 to the 14 by 5 to the 10 minus 2 3 are 6. How much will you get? Minus 11 by 4. So finally, what is my solution? X value I got minus 11 by 4. Now let us see the fourth type of equation in our simple equations, that is of the form m by x plus a plus n by x plus b equal to 0. If at all, if a equation is of the form like this, m by x plus a plus n by x plus b equal to 0, what is the solution of the x? First let us derive the solution of x. So just send the remaining items out into that side. So first m into x plus a, sorry, it is x plus b plus n into x plus a equal to 0. X plus a into x plus b. Anyhow, this x plus a into x plus b, if it go to that side, it will get 0. So m into x plus b plus n into x plus a. Some examples of this kind. If you observe the example 1, 2 by x plus 3 plus 9 by x plus 8 equal to 0. This equation, if you observe, is of the form m by x plus a plus n by x plus b equal to 0. Just first step, what is the first step? By comparing, what is the value of a? Value of a is 3, value of b is 8, and value of m is 2, and value of n is 9. So now you know the values of coefficient terms as well as independent terms also. So you simply go for the final solution, that is x. How will you get x? Don't do any simplifications. We already derived what is the solution of x. You just remember this one, x solution of the form like this, that is m by n, x plus a plus n by x plus b. Understand? You can directly put the value of x like this. Now take a pass. Now take a pass and do the next example, which is here, and check the solution. Check your solution with my solution. Now removing the pass. So if you observe, the second example is also of the form m by x plus a plus n by x plus b equal to 0. So what is our first step here? What is the first step? By comparing. Okay, so what is the a value? A value is 5, b value is 3, m value is 4, and n value is minus 3. M value is minus 3. Now see here, what is the solution? Finally, solution of x is equal to, you should remember this one, minus mb minus na by m plus n. So minus m is how much? 4, b is 3, minus n is how much? Minus 3, a value is 5 by m plus n, that is 4 plus n is minus 3. So 4 plus of minus 3 we will get here. So minus 4 into 3, minus 12, minus of minus will become plus. So 3 into 5 is 15 by 4 plus of minus 3, nothing but minus only. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So 15 minus 12, that is 3. Therefore, what is x value? So minus 12 plus 15 by 1, that is equal to 3. Therefore, what is the x value we got?